How to create tree in Little Alchemy 2. To create tree in Little Alchemy 2, add water and water to create a puddle, then add puddle and puddle to create a pond, add pond to create a lake, add lake and lake to create a sea. Now once we've created the sea, add earth to it to create a primordial soup. Now we will go ahead and combine fire and fire to create energy. We'll combine energy and primordial soup to create a life. Once we have created the life, we will leave the life aside for now, and we will go ahead and then bring back the earth, and we will add some water to it to create a mud. Once we've done that, we will go ahead and then again leave this, and now we will get earth and we will get fire to create lava. Once we've created lava, we will add air to create a stone. Once we've created a stone, we will go ahead and then basically add mud to the stone to create a clay. Once we have created clay, we will add life to it and basically make it a human. Once we have a human, what we will do is we will go ahead and then add earth and earth together. So earth and earth together will basically create land, and we are going to add basically life to the land. So go ahead and then add life to the land. Once you've added life to the land, you have animal and you have soil. We will leave the animal aside, we will just keep the soil. We will add life to the soil to basically create a plant. Once we've created the plant, we will go ahead and then add human to the plant to create a farmer. Once we've created a farmer, we'll combine farmer to create an idea, and we will combine human and idea to go ahead and then create a philosophy. Once we've created a philosophy, what we will do is again we will leave this aside. Now we will get the land that we created earlier, and once we've created the land, we will combine land and land to create continent and continent basically to create a planet, and we will combine planet and planet to create the solar system and solar system to basically create galaxy, and then we will combine galaxy to galaxy to create a galaxy cluster to galaxy cluster to basically create universe, and then we will combine universe to just like this. So let's just wait until we have universe, and once we have universe, what we will do now is we will add philosophy to universe to create big, and once we have created big, we will simply combine the plant to it, and just like that we have our tree. This way you will be able to make tree in Little Alchemy 2. Hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching, and see you soon in the next video.